This video is going to show you how to make pasta salad. I just got done boiling a whole bag of rigatoni noodles and strained it, so it's ready to go. You just make it just like it says so on the box. You just put it in boiling water for 15 minutes, stir it every once in a while, and strain it when it's done. And we're going to put our homemade dressing that I made in a different video in it. And we're going to put a cup of peas in. That's in there. Then we have 2 tomatoes, 2 stalks of celery, and some shredded carrots. We're going to dump all that in there. Then we're going to mix it all up. Just going to mix it all in with the noodles. Just make your tomatoes bite-sized pieces so they're easy to stab with a fork. And we're just going to mix all that together. Then we're going to put our homemade dressing on. And it is 2 parts oil, 1 part vinegar, and spices to your liking, whatever spices you like. This actually has onions and garlic and paprika and salt and pepper and a lot of other different spices in it. Just dump it all on there. Then you just mix it up a little. I like using the rigatoni noodles because the dressing really soaks into the noodle. All those little spirals makes the flavors really stand out. So after you get it all mixed up together, then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to let the juices really soak in. Then serve it. Again, that's homemade pasta salad. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you next time.